Hello everyone and welcome back to another Getyn Helpdesk tutorial. In this video we will explore the analytics module of Getyn Helpdesk. So before we begin, let me give you a little introduction about this module. So the analytics module provides a centralized view of important helpdesk metrics. Instead of manually checking individual tickets, you can use reports and dashboard to understand ticket volume, ticket status, agent performance, service level performance, communication channel, and also the geographical distribution of the data. So without any further delay, let's dive into this video and explore this module step by step. So as we click on the analytics button in the side panel, this is the screen which is visible to us. And let me just minimize it real quick. Yeah. And at the top, you get one line brief about this module, which says uh, explore reports, build custom dashboards, and gain actionable insights. So yeah, this gives us a clear idea of the purpose of this module. As analytics is designed to help team convert support data into meaningful insights that can support better decision making. So yeah, and next we see these three sections, which are the reports, dashboards, and AI. So we will be covering all these sections individually. So starting with the report section. So the report section allows you to view different types of help desk data in an organized format. And these reports can help you track ticket activity, monitor support performance, and identify the trend. So as I mentioned, it provides in an organized format, and these different formats are provided here, which are, as we say, we could say the multiple categories, which are the tickets, conversation, agent performance, SLA, channels, and the geography. So let's explore them one by one. But before we do that, let us understand these functions which are provided here first. So the first two columns are specified for the date. So in case if you want to view the analytics of a specific duration, for a specific week or for a specific month, you could provide that duration here and the analytics would get organized according to that. Moving forward, the next three options are more of a filter options. So from the first one, you can filter out the analytics on the basis of the agent and their actions. Then you can filter out the analytics on the basis of the status of the ticket. So the status that you can choose are the new, pending, open, on hold, solved, and closed. And the next is on the basis of the priority. So you could choose multiple priorities like the low, medium, high, and urgent. So in case if you want to focus on the urgent tickets first, you just need to click on the urgent priority and the analytics would provide you the insights about the tickets which are in the urgent priority. Now moving back to the categories of the reports. So talking about the tickets first. So the ticket report provides an overview of the ticket related information such as the number of tickets, their current status, priority, and other important details. So as you could see, the first graph shows the ticket by distribution, and a disclaimer for here is that this is a demo account and the data is dummy. So I have fed only limited data over here. So the only status that is visible to you is new. But in your case, you might be having a large volume of data and multiple status would be provided to the ticket. So you would be able to see all these status that we just saw into this chart. Then we get this summary card over here. So you get total tickets, open tickets, resolved, and an assigned. And at the bottom, you get the ticket details on the ticket details in the form of a table. So here only the tickets which are open visible here, and that is how the ticket report provides the uh, insights. Now moving forward to the conversation report. So this section helps team analyze customer conversation and understand communication activity across the help desk. So as you could see, the first graph or the pie chart shows the different channels. So currently only two channels are integrated. The green represents the email channel and the blue represents the Telegram channel. And accordingly, if you have multiple channel integrated with the Getyn Helpdesk, those would be represented here by different colors. Then similarly, we get the summary card over here, uh, representing the total tickets, open tickets. Then we get conversation is not the ticket. It is about the live inbox communications. So you get the total communication or the total chats. Then you get the open chats. Then you get the closed chats and unassigned chats as well. Now talking about the agent performances. So in this, agent performances are represented in a table format. So you get different all the agents over here. Then the next column shows the tickets that they have handled. Next, you get to see the tickets that are resolved by them and the average resolution time that they have spent on the like on all the tickets. So that is how the agent performance represented. Now moving forward to the SLA tickets. So the SLA section focuses on service level performance. It can help team monitor whether support requests are being handled within their expected service timeline or not. So here you see the KPI cards representing the total tickets, the SLA compliance, breached, and nearing the breach. Here, I would like to mention one thing that these reports and analytics are of great utilization in terms of a larger volume of data if you are handling through the help desk. So, so it provides you the insights of every aspect of your help desk account, and using that, you could just improve your decisions that you are making. Now, coming back, you are provided a breach ticket table in the bottom, and in this, the tickets that have breached the SLA compliance would be represented. Now, moving forward to the channels reports. So here, the volume of the tickets would be represented on the basis of the channel through which they have approached. So currently, two channels are integrated in this demo account. So only two channels are visible, and accordingly, only one tickets of each channel is there. Now, moving to the last report, which is the geography. So currently, this is blank as expected because here the volume of the tickets are organized by the countries through which they have approached. So currently this is a demo account, and as expected, because in the Getyn Helpdesk we use this function of feeding the location of the ticket automatically by using their live location. So I was not able to add tickets of multiple countries. That is why this section is blank. But if you handle tickets from different countries, you would be able to see a graph over here representing the volume of the tickets on the basis of the countries through which they appear. So that was it in this video. In the next part, which is going to be the part 2 of the analytics module, we would explore the dashboard and the AI bot. Till then, stay healthy, stay tuned, and see you in the next one.